Yes, good morning children. Today we have revision of 3D. As earlier we discussed in vector algebra, the term direction, cosine and direction ratios. Do you remember whenever you have a vector, suppose AB vector is AI plus BJ plus CK, where A, B, C are nothing. They are called direction ratios of vector AB. When you find the magnitude of this vector, then it is nothing. It is under root A square plus B square plus C square. Sum of square of coefficient of x and y. Find their square root, then you get the magnitude of that vector AB. Now you find its unit vector. AB unit vector, then AB upon mod of AB. Say it is a scalar quantity, say R, divided, then you get A upon Ri plus B upon Rj plus C upon Rk. My dear children, this is the unit vector. A upon R, B upon R, C upon R are nothing. They are direction cosines. They are called DCs of vector AB. Direction cosines. L equal to A upon R, M equal to V upon R, and N equal to C upon R. My dear children, if vector AB makes an angle alpha with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively, say this is AB. This makes an angle alpha with x-axis, beta with, so cos alpha equal to A upon R, beta is the angle y-axis and gamma is the angle with z-axis. So remember, alpha, beta, gamma are the angle formed in the anti-clockwise direction measured with x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively. This is the concept, very useful concept. You already learnt in vector algebra. Now what happen in 3D? Whenever you have the 3D, then this vector AB becomes in coordinate form. So how you will write? My dear children, you remember, you say point A is x1, y1, z1. Point B is x2, y2, z2. Then AB, direction ratio of AB. A equal to x2 minus x1, B equal to y2 minus y1, C equal to z2 minus z1. They are direction ratios of AB. Then you find out the R, that is under root A square plus B square plus C square. Then what is L? Direction cosines, DCs. L equal to A upon R, M equal to V upon R, and N equal to C upon R. These are the direction cosines. There are relation L square plus M square plus N square. You find their sum, L square plus M square plus N square, then you get R square upon R square, that is 1. So these are the basic fundamentals. Whenever you start the 3D, first you recall what the mean of the direction cosine, what do you mean of direction ratios, how they are correlated. Then you remember in 3D we have two forms, vector form and scalar form. So Cartesian form, whenever you have the equation of a line, now we have a straight line, equation of a straight line. Dear children, equation of a straight line, a line passes through u vector. First we discuss the vector equation of a straight line. Equation of a line which passes through u vector. You remember earlier we have discussed, here u vector is written as x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and parallel to V vector, it is AI plus BJ plus CK. Line passes through U vector and parallel to V vector. It is nothing, it is R equal to U plus lambda V. What are the direction ratios of the line? They are nothing, they are A, B, C. जिससे पैरेलल है उसके I, J, K की कोफिशिएंट्स. So in Cartesian form you say you remember R vector is nothing, general form xi plus yj plus zk. U is the vector, line passes through x1i y1j plus z1k. And V vector, you know, AI plus Bj plus Ck. If you substitute the values, then you say, sir, R minus U equal to lambda V. Substitute the value, then you say X minus X1 equal to lambda A. That is upon A. Y minus Y1 upon B. Z minus Z1 upon C. All are equal to. This is called equation of a line which passes through the point x1, y1, z1 and whose direction ratios are A, B, C. What happens if you have the line, you remember this is a line passes through point x1, y1, z1 with dr direction ratios A, B and C is given by this. My dear children, what happens if you have the direction in this way? Then you remember here you write A upon R, B upon R, C upon R, that is L A main. तो यहाँ फिर उस केस में क्या आ जाएगा? L A main आ जाएगा. So line may be described with the help of direction cosines also. Remember how you discriminate. डायरेक्शन कोसाइन फॉर्म में है, डायरेक्शन रेशियो फॉर्म में है. आप तीनों के स्क्वायर का सम करके देखिए, एल स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. देन यू से इट इज डायरेक्शन कोसाइन फॉर्म. अदरवाइज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 1. देन यू से वो डायरेक्शन रेशियो फॉर्म होगा. सो दिस इज द लाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आपको याद रखना है. रिमेंबर एक्स बाई जेड. नाउ वी मेक सम प्रैक्टिस आप क्वेश्चंस. सो सी दी जेम बोर्ड ऑन गूगल क्लासरूम. We will discuss.